Justin from Evakool, and I'm at the 2019 Wild Boar Resort Bash at Sandstone Point Hotel. As a sponsor of the event and hoping to give away a few prizes as well while we're at it. We've got a wide range of portable fridge freezers for cars, four-wheel drives, caravans, camper trailers, from single zone units, dual zone units, uprights for your caravans, and for any price range as well. Yeah, so we work through a few different outlets. So we've got package deals with Wild Boar. They can include a fridge in the camper trailer purchase. We also sell through a number of different dealers and on our website, which is www.evakool.com.